Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 0x80190001 when you're trying to log into your Microsoft account. And how we're going to fix this is by first going to our antivirus. So you can hit the Windows key and just go to antivirus, or virus and threat protection, which will bring this up, and from here you can go to the manage settings option under the virus and threat protection settings category, which will bring this up. And all we really need to do to turn the antivirus off is to turn off real-time protection, hit yes when you're prompted, and then I also turn this one off as well just to be safe. And we're going to close that, and from here our next step is going to be Windows plus Q. So hit the Windows key and the Q key and type in Internet Options. We're going to open that. And from here, we're going to go to the Advanced tab and scroll all the way down the settings, and you want to enable Use TLS 1.0, Use TLS 1.1, Use TLS 1.2, and Use TSL 1.3. Hit Apply, hit OK, and from this point, you're going to want to restart your computer, and after you restart your computer, the issue hopefully should be solved. Anyways guys, if this video helped you today, please consider leaving a super thanks or just engaging in the video in any way, as it really does help me out. But, peace.